Okay, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all, and finally we got a chance to start working on building an e-commerce application from scratch. Okay, this is the 0th day, just introduction session, and from tomorrow we are going to start working on the project. Okay, just an introduction. Let me explain a few other things. Okay, first of all, team who are there here, just say hi, hello, or something.
Hi, sir.
And you're ready. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Once again, happy Vinayaka Chaviti or happy Vinayaka Chaturthi to all who are celebrating here and throughout the world. And on this occasion, we are going to start our project. Okay, what is the project? I will explain in detail for first 5 minutes, and then we can introduce. We can go for introductions. Everyone can take like 30 seconds to 1 minute maximum, and you can explain like your name and what you studied and whether you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript already or not, because that is very very important, and how many hours you can spend every day. Okay, then you will get a more clarity on that. So like first, let me share my screen. Just give me confirmation once you're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are going to build an e-commerce application similar to Amazon and Big Basket, but our application is going to be useful for farmers. Okay, suppose how you are purchasing products from the Big Basket. Okay, similarly, we can purchase products from our application in very in near future, maybe after 3 months or 6 months. So what is the specialty? Because already Big Basket is there, and what is the use of our application? That means, suppose if you see here, they are collecting products from the farmers because whatever they are doing, and they are selling their products here. But in our application, directly farmer can upload their products and he can decide what is the price for his product, and customers can purchase it. Okay, but the main concept here is this project is going to build by students, you only, and one and we are going to bring a few more industry experts to help you. Okay, so that don't think that we are going to build in 1 month or 2 months. It will take time because we are learning and we are building, right? So that it will take a lot of time. So what are the things? What are the technologies we are using? Because already we have discussed in that trailer or something, but I will explain one more time. So for front end, we are going to use React JS library, and here this time we are going to build an application with Next.js for front end, because React Next.js is the framework on top of React.js. React.js is a library on top of JavaScript. And for state management, so maybe if you're completely new, maybe these all these things are new to you. Don't worry about all these things. I'm going to explain in detail for you. So this is a state management library which will be useful for building e-commerce applications. And we are going to use a Tailwind CSS. I think most of you are familiar with like a Bootstrap or Material UI, and this Tailwind CSS. This Tailwind CSS is really good. So that we are going to build an application with the help of Tailwind CSS. It's a CSS framework. And when it comes to the backend, the Node.js and we're going to use NPM, of course, Node.js and NPM bundled together. So, and Express.js, this is the framework on top of Node.js, and we are going to use the database that is MongoDB. Okay, and we are using a cloud MongoDB Atlas in the beginning, and later we can check for when we are going to deploy in the production grade application, then we can take the decisions. But initially we are going to build an application to understand how to build all these applications. Okay, like at least students should familiar with all the technologies. Once you are confident, definitely we are just, and we are going to purchase the softwares, we can build a production grade application. And of course, we are going to integrate payment gateway with a Stripe or a PayPal. I think it's taking too much time to load. Don't worry. And the just is a unit testing library and React testing library for DOM testing. And this is mandatory for everyone, like a Git and GitHub. Maybe most of you are familiar with all these things. And at the same time, we are going to use AWS for to deploy a few things, and we are going to learn fundamentals at least. And sometimes we are going to use a Heroku to deploy our server kind of things. Okay, this is a technical stack. Okay, so just prepare your resume by end of this week and just add all these things. Okay, HTML5, CSS3, React, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js, Redux Toolkit, and Tailwind CSS, Node.js, NPM, Express.js, MongoDB, and of course Stripe or PayPal, uh, like a payment gateway, and just React testing library and Git and GitHub. Okay, and the AWS basics and the Heroku. So your resume is going to be more and more powerful. And once you build an application, hopefully you will get a job. Okay, but I'm not giving any kind of job guarantees or promises, that kind of things. No, it's completely depend on students. Of course, 10% definitely it's depend on trainer, and 90% depend on student. But I don't know whether you will utilize this opportunity properly or not. So if you utilize it, definitely you will get a job. Okay, I will help you in all the directions. Okay, so today just introduction only. We are not going to install anything. We are not going to set up anything. So one by one, just give introduction for 30 seconds to 1 minute, so that in the end we can go for a question and answers. Okay, I'm just stopping the presentation. So can I go one by one? Can I ask one by one? Okay, first Bhavita, just introduce yourself.
Yeah, good evening, sir. I am Bhavita from Mahabub Nagar, currently working on React Native.
You're already working on React Native. Okay, fantastic. That means you're already okay. I think you are already familiar with HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so daily, how many hours you can spend on this project?
Sir, 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, that's fine. Okay, where are you from?
Mahabub Nagar, sir.
Okay, good. I know some of you already, but just I'm asking for audience. Okay, don't think that
Okay.
Raghu, you know already. Okay, fine. Next, okay, okay, welcome to the project, and we are going to learn together, and we are going to build together. Definitely, everyone will succeed. Okay, thanks for joining. Okay, next, Jashnavi or Jahnavi.
Good evening, sir. Myself Jashnavi from Manparthi. I have completed my degree, sir.
Okay, what are the technologies you're already familiar?
HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Sir.
Okay, did you get a chance to learn React.js?
Yeah, sir. I have completed, but more 10 videos to complete it.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, good. How many hours you have daily?
I have 2 to 3 hours, sir.
Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
I will explain, because if you spend 2 hours, what you can learn. If you spend 4 hours, what you can learn. If you can spend 8 hours, what you are going to learn. Because it's not that much easy to learn each and everything in 2 hours. So at least I will give a simple plan for everyone. Okay. And next, I forgot his name. Okay, Lalitama Srimata, tell me. Nagendra, Nagendra.
Hi sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you know that my name is Nagendra. So I did my graduation in 2018. So along with my graduation, I did visual effects course also. So that helped me execute job in DP Entertainment Hyderabad.
Okay.
So then after I transitioned as a freelancer, in Corona time I got opportunity in SBI contractual position as a customer support 2 years. So after completion of contractual position in SBI, I got another opportunity in Zomato as a customer support. Not exactly backend, almost backend job. In case any payment issue is there, and how to track coupon codes, how to get discounts, like that customers had any doubts, I want to resolve that one. So for upgrading skill purpose, I am learning full stack developer, but I didn't get uh, that much efficient channel or trainer. I didn't get. So by God grace, I got opportunity to learn from with you, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. And
Uh,
okay,
I'm new to coding. I'm new to coding, so everything first. Initially, I'm little bit, not little bit, confused is too much, and I want to take care of my family, so I went some outstations also. That's why I didn't concentrate that much. So now I have a chance to learn, sir.
and here time is also very important because if you don't have a time and if you don't concentrate, it's not that much easy to learn. Okay, so we should spend minimum 2 3 hours every day, and that should be a consistent way. Okay, okay. Anyway, I hope you can adjust according to the plan. Very
Now
good.
I am so far from my hometown. I will concentrate, sir.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, next, Mayur.
Sorry, sir. I'm not currently at home.
Sorry, sorry.
I'm not at home right now. I'm in town, so it's been traffic here, so I can't try to talk right now.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, good. Pawan Kumar, like just 30 seconds to 1 minute. That is enough. Okay. Pawan Kumar, you can go ahead.
Hi, all. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, my name is Pawan Kumar. I did my graduation in BTech Computer Science, and after graduation, I'm doing job in a non-IT side. Then after I came, I want to a full stack developer. So I have learned full stack development in some institute. After, but uh, I'm not confident in that course. So some of my friends suggest your channel, sir. So I have joined in your JavaScript training. So I learn uh, in depth of JavaScript because of you, sir. And I'm ready to learn many things from you, sir.
Okay, okay. Only thing, your name, what you are studying, how much time, what are the skill set, and how many hours you can spend. Okay, that is enough. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. I learn Manstack, sir. I completed my Manstack in 7 months, and I have spent minimum 4 to 5 hours, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, yes,
That is very important. Time is very important. That's why I'm asking. Okay.
yes, sir.
So next, Sheshik, okay, welcome, Pawan. Of course, you are already part of our training. I know. Yeah, Sheshgiri.
Hi sir, good evening. My name is Shashgiri. I am from Kakinada. I am completed 2000. I am completed degree in 2019. Present I am doing job.
Okay.
I have I have spent the time 2 to 3 hours.
Daily 2 to 3 hours. Okay.
Yes sir.
Fine. Okay. Next, Shiva Prasad. Hi, Shiva.
Hi Raghu,
Happy Vinayak Chavithi.
happy New Year. As you know, already completed JavaScript and React.js from you, but I didn't build any projects, so I want to start building project now.
Yeah, this is going to be really awesome. I'm really
Mm,
excited to work on this project actually. Definitely,
Okay,
definitely, you guys are going to enjoy. Mm, that
thank you.
is from tomorrow. We are going to experience that. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Fine, Shiva.
daily I may spend 1 hour.
That is time. Only 1 hour.
Uh, yeah, weekend I will compensate. Okay,
Okay, that's good. That's good at least because already you are working, so that it's. I know it's too difficult to get time for this learnings. Yeah, but at least daily 1 hour. That is enough for you at least. Yeah. Next, Varun Kumar Sai.
Hello, sir. Good evening. This is Sai here. I am from Nagar. I completed my BTech in the field. Actually, currently I'm at working at LTI Mindtree. I know about JavaScript, HTML, CSS3, and Java. Mm, I have around 2 hours time.
Two hours time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Because the students who are already working, if you spend 2 hours, that is good. That is good. That is not a bad uh, schedule. But if who completed a graduation who are not doing job, okay, you should spend minimum 8 hours. Okay, how many hours?
8 hours.
8 hours. So if you're already doing a part-time job or a full-time job, that is okay because it's not possible to for you to spend more time on a day. But if you're not doing a job or if you're not doing any kind of other work outside, so you should spend minimum 8 hours for this project, because if you spend minimum 8 hours, then only you can learn all these things. It's not that much easy. React.js itself it will take 2-3 months, and Next.js itself it will take 2 months, 2-3 months if you spend only 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, and Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and all these are not that much easy to learn in a short time. So if you have a if you already completed a graduation and if you're looking for a job, you should spend as much as time. Okay, okay, fine. So this is festival time. That's why I'm not going to take too much time. So just ask your questions. I will try to answer any kind of questions about this course or anything. If you don't have any questions,
Sir, in backend, uh, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, so that also full-fledged concepts is there, sir, why we created this app.
yeah, yeah. Because if you see when it comes to the Node.js and Express Node.js, because in Node.js we have the thousands of modules are there. Okay, but here we are going to focus on the REST API, because we are going to build web server and we are going to build APIs and authentication with a JWT, up to that much, not completely. But that is enough to get a job, complete a project as a full stack. But front end side, yes, we are going to learn in detail completely.
Yes, sir. Too much trying to get Atlas to create Atlas in MongoDB.
Means whenever you want, whenever you try to create an account and creating some content in this, it is taking too much time.
Not too much time, sir. Every time I practice, but I didn't get in Postman Atlas. So that's why I leave back and only concentrate in front end.
Okay, okay, okay. You are saying that understanding purpose, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Here I'm going to explain in detail
Okay, sir.
how much it is useful for our project. Of course, you will get very good knowledge in Node, Express, and MongoDB. But suppose if you want to become a full stack developer in server side, we have like web sockets and microservices and lots of other concepts are there. And we are not going to cover all the things. For at least you can say that you are very good at back end and you are completely have a good knowledge at front end.
Okay, sir.
Good. Any other questions? Because if you ask questions, you will get more clarity. Don't think that your question is simple or silly or something. No problem, you can ask. Even who are watching this video, the YouTube, you can ask your questions. You can join from tomorrow. I already mentioned the link in the description. You can join with the help of that link from tomorrow itself. The timings will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. Yeah. Any questions? No questions? have no questions.
No, sir. Eagerly waiting. Uh,
Only
how JavaScript concepts, how to use in React.js. Means I don't know exactly.
okay, okay. How to use that it will take too much time. But what are the concepts are important to start learning React.js? I will explain. Mm, or React, essential JavaScript for React. So if you see, if uh, suppose if you want to learn React, these are must and should concepts. You should know the functions and at the same time arrow functions, objects, arrays, and array methods, especially map, filter, and find for each. The reduce, these are very very important things, and destructuring, template literals, and ternary. These are simple. Template literals and ternary operators are very simple. And ES modules I will explain. I will explain coming days. So
Special request, sir.
yeah.
E-commerce app daily continue purposes, sir. So we know before, sir, what concepts explained today are like that.
Okay, okay.
Newspaper technique we will use to learn, sir. Briefly, we can refer some previous tutorials of you, so we can get idea. Immediately we
Okay.
can connect to what we will teach.
Sure, sure. Anyway, we have a group, right? So at least I will update there what we are going to learn tomorrow, so that even I can, because if you see, I will ask you to do assignments like 30 to 40% of the learning is depend on assignments, because it's not if we start teach React JS, it will take 3 months. If we start learn Next.js, again it will take 3 months. So here I'm not going to teach each and every topic in all the and React and Next and Redux or all those things, because we will start building an application and what are the important topics are involved in that. Briefly, I will explain those concepts and I will refer some videos in our playlist or other playlists, so that you should go through those videos and quickly you should learn. But if you have any confusion, definitely I will explain. But most of the that's why I'm asking how much time you can spend, because one if you can spend 1 hour, 7 to 8 we are going to I'm going to explain something, but I will use lots of assignments, and so that you should have at least another 1 hour to practice and another 1 hour to do this kind of simple assignments, to understand what we are going to learn in next few days. Okay, it will take one week to understand for you the process what we are going to do. Slowly, you can adjust and you can spend more time on that. Yeah, as you said, yes, definitely. I will inform you what are the topics we are going to cover the next day. Sure.
That is a benefit to more to we can learn, sir.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I got it. I got it. Definitely, I will follow that. Yeah. Any questions from other people? Only one person is asking, and maybe you're waiting for celebrations, Ganesh Chaturthi. That is fine. If you're already in busy with that celebration, yeah, you can drop off and enjoy the festival. This is because I want to start something on Vinayaka Chaturthi. That's why I just started this introduction session. Yeah. If you have questions, ask me quickly. Yeah, hi Naveen. How are you?
Yeah, hi, Raghavana. How are you? I'm doing good.
After a long time.
Yeah. Actually, I got notification from YouTube. Due to that, I joined. Last 1.5 year back, I joined your course HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in between. That is very useful to me.
Okay, what are you
So
doing now?
I am currently working with the Salesforce developer only with Autos Sintel company.
Okay, but you want to learn JavaScript full stack.
Yes. For LWC purpose, I need this JavaScript. So due to that only I resigned.
Okay, sure. Do you have a time daily?
Yes, yes, yes.
How much time?
Yeah, after 7, I am free. 10 to
Okay,
7, my working times. Sometimes we have meetings, but I will manage.
that's fantastic. Yeah, good, good, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are from which place?
I am from Gajwel, Siddipet district.
Okay, okay. You are working in Hyderabad only.
Sorry, Anu?
You are working in Hyderabad.
No, no. Currently, I'm working from home. My base location is Mumbai, office base location.
Okay, okay,
Thane.
okay. Fantastic. Did you get a chance to visit Mumbai so far?
Yeah, actually, I visited one time, but next week I need to go. They call to come to office.
Actually, I worked in Mumbai for 4 years. I love Mumbai. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions? No questions? And I mean, yeah, if you have any question, ask me.
Yeah, what is the difference between previous batch and this batch? This is purely related to real-time project-oriented training in this upcoming sessions.
Yes, yes. Okay, previously, because
Mm.
I don't know in which batch you joined. Actually, I think 2 3 years back we have done a
Yeah, 2 years back. Yeah.
we did a Amazon clone, right? I'm not
Yes, yes,
sure
exactly.
you're part
Yes,
of that.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So if you see Amazon clone, we just take a reference of Amazon application and we have built right as it
Yes,
is. So now this is not like a replica or a clone. We are going to build our own application with the reference with the help with the inspiration of Amazon and Big Basket. So that
okay,
you people need to decide the styles. You people need to decide which one to place on the top or like that. How this header should be there, how this footer should be there, and what are the features we are going to implement. Okay, everything because you should think like a project manager and architect. Okay, so you should take the decision. Of course, as a group, we will discuss and we should come up with a plan and we are going to design from the scratch. So this is a application which previously which is not there. So because of course it is very close to a big basket, but we are going to allow farmers to upload their products and farmers can decide the price because if you see big basket is there, they will purchase products from the farmer, maybe some
yes,
cost, and this big basket team will decide the price, right?
yes.
Yeah, but in our application, the farmer will decide the price.
Prices.
That easy wish. Suppose I'm a farmer, I have some rice. I will upload the product details and that. And even if anyone wants, he will send a sample to them. Okay.
Okay,
So if he is satisfied and he will give a price. Yeah.
okay.
We are giving more power to the farmers because if you
Yeah.
see most of the times farmers will purchase their products to millers or third persons and with a very less cost they will farmers get very less amount actually, so the
Yes,
these middle persons will decide the cost, right? So now we are going to
exactly.
break that and in our application we are going to provide a lot of content that what are the best ways to do a farming suggestions like that. So this is going to be like in future it will be a startup and it will be open source,
Okay.
like that. But right now at this point main focus for students because students should understand what is e-commerce and students should understand all these technologies and students should experience how we are working in IT industry because here we are going to provide the same kind of environment how I am working in my office. Okay.
Yes.
So after understanding the fundamentals, we will set up the project in a GitHub and everyone will get
Okay.
an access. We will update the details in the Jira so that students should pick up the task and they should work on that task and they should raise the commit the code and raise the PR. So same thing,
Yes.
like how we are working agile methodology, right? We're
Yes,
going to
sir.
use, so that you will get a real-time experience.
Exactly.
Yeah, even I think if you see, if I ask a question, no one will ask, right? Now everyone will be very silent, right? From tomorrow,
Yeah.
it will be not like that. I will ask you. I will ask you to share your screen and write the code, and I will ask you explain, go and understand what is just, and do some POC on that, and you should come up and you should explain what is this, like that. Okay, and I will give some assignments. Okay, I will ask you to like build a simple a button with the help of Tailwind CSS and just build a header like that. You should be ready because this is real time. Real time means real time. Yeah, and 75 7 it will be total 100 sessions. Maximum 75 sessions I will cover. The next 25 sessions will be like that. Suppose I will bring my friend. Suppose he will come up and he will explain what is a search engine optimization. Do you know what is search engine optimization? Anyone? Have you heard about that search engine optimization? Okay, we don't. Suppose if you see, if you just search anything, suppose I want iPhone, okay, iPhone 14 or 15 latest. Okay, if you see, whenever I search iPhone 14, it is showing the results, right? So it is showing the Amazon on top and Flipkart at the fourth position and somewhere. Suppose after 6 months, if we build an application similar to Amazon and we are also listing the iPhone 14 or something in our application, but if I want to display our application price, if we want to display our application on top, so we should take care of search engine optimization. Okay, you know, so these e-commerce applications should follow the technique. Otherwise, if any a new customer is just searching for iPhone 14, always it will Apple and Flipkart and all these top brands will come on top. And if you don't know, if the customer don't know about our actual URL, they can't get our website. So these kind of things, lots of things are there, because what is agile methodology, what are the good techniques in at least GitHub, or and what is a Next.js, because why we need to use a Next.js, like that. I will bring more and more people, and they will give. These sessions will be on mostly on weekends. Those 25 sessions will be on weekend, so they will pick up one topic, and we can ask questions. They will explain the topic like that, question and answers. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah, okay. I know it's very difficult for you to ask questions at the beginning. So no problem. From tomorrow onwards, you will get lots of questions, and at the time, maybe I don't get enough time to answer for your questions. But that's all for today, and see you on tomorrow at 7 p.m. From tomorrow, you should come up. You should join with laptop, and in the middle, I will ask you to share your screen, and you should write the code along with me. So we are going to build together. This is not like a training session. Like I will explain something and you can go and you can watch that video after 1 week or 2 weeks, and no. So this is going to be live training. That means we are working together on project. I will teach you. You should learn, and together we are going to build an application. Okay. Now tell me, how many of you are interested to learn in that way from tomorrow? Just say yes or no. Unmute and tell me. Yes, I know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, from tomorrow onwards, I don't know. Don't like raise your hand or I understood. I will do practice later. I will submit the assignment after 1 month. So I can't do anything. I will keep on explaining the project we are going to build together. And if you're not interested to talk, and remember, even if you learn all the technologies and if you are not interested to talk, if you're not able to communicate with other people, you will never get a job. Actually, it's very difficult, right? If you have a knowledge and if you don't have courage or interest to talk with other people, um, I don't think so. It's too difficult to get a job actually. So I will try to help you in all the ways, but at the same time, you should ready for grasp things and digest things and do practice. Okay. Once again, happy Vinayaka Chaviti and enjoy the festival. And thanks for joining. And from tomorrow, we are going to build an e-commerce application for the farmers by students. And there is no false promises, nothing. If you are interested, join. Even one student is there, that is enough for me. Even one student is also not there, I will keep on doing that project. I will complete that project. At least I will get a better job. Okay. Yeah. The last chance. If you have any questions, ask me. Otherwise, you can drop off and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.